Hey guys, it's Dracula here, and in this video I'm going to talk about Albert Einstein and why his mindset changed the modern world forever. Albert Einstein was a German-born physicist who is known for his theory of relativity and his famous equation E equals mc squared. He was born in Ulm, Germany in 1879 and showed an early aptitude for mathematics and physics. As a young man, Einstein attended the Swiss Federal Polytechnic in Zurich, where he graduated with a degree in physics in 1900. After completing his studies, Einstein worked as a patent examiner in Bern, Switzerland, while also publishing papers on theoretical physics. In 1905, he published 4 groundbreaking papers in the scientific journal Annalen der Physik, which introduced the concept of the photon, explained the photoelectric effect, and introduced the theory of special relativity. In 1915, Einstein published his theory of general relativity, which expanded upon his theory of special relativity and introduced the concept of gravity as the curvature of space-time. This theory was confirmed by observations of the orbit of the planet Mercury and the bending of light during a solar eclipse. Einstein's work on relativity and his contributions to the development of the atomic bomb earned him worldwide fame and the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921. He immigrated to the United States in 1933 to escape the rise of the Nazi Party in Germany and became a professor at Princeton University. Einstein continued to work on theoretical physics until his death in 1955. The theory of relativity is a theory that explains the nature of space and time. It was developed by Albert Einstein and is based on the idea that laws of physics are the same for all observers regardless of their relative motion. There are 2 versions of the theory of relativity: the special theory of relativity and the general theory of relativity. The special theory of relativity, also known as the theory of special relativity, was developed by Einstein in 1905. And is based on the idea that the laws of physics are the same for all observers, who are moving at a constant speed in a straight line. This theory explains the observed phenomenon known as the Lorentz contraction, which states that objects appear to shorten in the direction of their motion when viewed by an observer moving at a high speed relative to the object. The theory also predicts that time appears to slow down for objects moving at a high speed relative to an observer. The general theory of relativity, also known as the theory of general relativity, was developed by Einstein in 1915 and is based on the idea that laws in physics are the same for all observers, regardless of their relative motion or the presence of a gravitational field. This theory explains the observed phenomenon known as the curvature of space-time, which states that objects followed curved paths in space-time due to the presence of mass or energy. The theory also predicts that time appears to slow down in stronger gravitational fields, such as those near massive objects like a planet or a star. Einstein's theory of relativity has had a profound impact on our understanding of the universe and has led to many important scientific discoveries, including the development of the atomic bomb and the prediction of the existence of black holes. Albert Einstein always used to say, "We cannot solve problems with the kind of thinking we employed when we came up with them." This quote of him emphasized the idea that we cannot solve complex problems using the same thinking that created them. In other words, the quote suggests that we must be willing to think outside the box, consider different perspectives, and adopt new approaches in order to solve problems that are difficult or intractable. He believes that the key to solving complex problems is to approach them with a fresh, open mind and to consider a wide range of possible solutions. The quote also suggests that we need to be willing to challenge our own assumptions, look beyond our preconceived notions, and seek out new and innovative ways of thinking if we hope to find solutions to the problems we face. Overall, the quote is a reminder that we must be willing to embrace change and think creatively if we hope to solve the complex problems of the world. With that being said, thank you guys for listening and thinking about this video. My final words for you all: are you going to take action? Peace to you all.